Okay. Albert Einstein says, education is not the learning of fact, but the training of the mind to think. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Ritu Preetam Singh Barsar, Vivekananda Institute of Mass Communication, welcoming you to this webinar on VIMC. Vivekananda Institute of Mass Communication is an initiative of Strength in Educational Society, under whose aegis functions Vivekananda Institute of Professional Studies. I especially thanks to Professor Ravi Narayan Karsar on this occasion, who is engaged in some meeting today, and presented Dr. Neena Shirish Jain, ma'am. Welcome, ma'am. Dr. Kusha Tiwari, SLC faculty members, SLC IQAC members, and students of Shamlal College who have obliged us by presenting in the webinar today. The launch of the new vertical, Vivekananda Institute of Mass Communication, on our pristine campus is part of the vision of our master mentor, Professor Siddharth Mishra sir, and made possible with blessings of our chairman, Dr. H.C. Vatsar, and the unstinted support of our vice chairman, Mr. Suneet Vatsar, who have always encouraged us through the tough times to complete the rigorous process of course planning and curriculum building. Unlike the traditional university education system, VIMC seeks to impart knowledge through empowered skill sets, patterned on the training skills imparted to officers of armed forces who are enabled to take challenges of the next level. VIMC too seeks to make such media leaders who can lead by example, and this experience would come by paying a very affordable fee. Now I would request to Dr. Kusha Tiwari for her opening remarks and enlighten us on this initiative of VIMC. Kusha ma'am, please.
Thank you, Dr. Ritu. I must welcome the resource person of the day, Professor Siddharth Mishra. He's the chairperson at Vivekananda Institute of Mass Communication. And, we have had a long collaboration with him. So we are very, very happy and privileged that he chose our college to begin this series with. And, we are thankful to our principal sir also that, he approached Siddharth sir so that our students can be benefited with this program. Vivekananda Institute of Mass Communication is a pioneer institution, and the collaboration that SLC has with Vivekananda Institution of Mass Communication has benefited both the institute and the stakeholders of the institute. And the programs that you are initiating at the institute, I'm sure it is going to be professionally very, very beneficial for the students who pass out from, from our college. If they decide to take it up, it's going to be, wonderful for them to enter the job market with such a degree that is going to be a good, aspect of their CV. At the same time, I would like to say that, we at IQSC in Shamlal College, we've always tried to organize programs that are professionally relevant for our students, that in a way help them imbibe some professionally relevant skills in present times. Though we are doing everything virtually for the last 1.5 years, but then still our students are continuously engaged in all the programs that we organize, be it workshops, research methodology workshops, or other skill trainings or student development programs. And this particular series is one such program in a long line of programs that we have been having and we will be having in the current academic year. I must also thank the entire IQAC and the students who have come for this program to attend the program. I'm sure you are going to be hugely benefited by it, because Professor Mishra is a very engaging speaker, and it's always a pleasure to listen to you, sir, and to deliberate with you and to discuss topics ranging from politics, media, to education, to everyday life, to films. We have had some amazing discussions on films as well. So not taking much time, I again welcome you, sir, and hope that we have a hugely successful collaboration this time also.
Thank you, Kusha, for some very nice words. And first of all, congratulations to you for having just been promoted to a very well-deserved promotion as professor in the English department.
Thank
And it is in the course of last 4-5 years that we have got to know each other. I can certainly vouch for the kind of research work and teaching initiatives that you take. My association with Shyamlal College is as old as the principalship of Dr. Ravi Narayan Kar. And, Dr. Ravi Kar, I have known him for a very long time. And so when this option came before him, and generally the talk of it, why should you go from a South Delhi college to a East Delhi college, Northeast Delhi college? We had a discussion and we said the challenge lies there. Challenge lies in turning around an institution. And I'm so glad that I've been visiting this college for the last 5-6 years very regularly. And I can see the phenomenal change which has come in the working of this college and which has come in the functioning of this college and kind of student participation in different events that we get to see in this college. So it was in course of this discussion that we have been also been meeting even after the COVID lockdowns and we have been very even Dr. Kar has been very worried, and we have been discussing that where do the students go? The world has completely changed post COVID. एंड जो भी हमारे पास स्किल्स थे, जो भी नॉलेज था, ये था, उसको एक नए पर्सपेक्टिव में बिल्कुल ले गया. खास करके जो लोग वर ऑन द कस्प ऑफ एंटरिंग द फील्ड ऑफ एम्प्लॉयमेंट, तो उनके लिए बड़ा ही चैलेंजिंग ये सिचुएशन अराइज कर गया है. और खास करके जो साहित्य के लोग हैं या ह्यूमैनिटीज के लोग हैं, द पीपल हु वांट टू मेक ए करियर इन द फील्ड ऑफ media, mass communication, cinema. You see, the whole world has changed for it. And I would not say that it has changed for anything bad. It has changed for good because it has come with a lot of opportunities. It is now today being that COVID has ensured that whole democratization of the system takes place. And there had been online platforms earlier. There had been Zoom was always there, and so was other things. But whenever it takes a shock to shift to new platforms, and that shock came in last year, and we have all shifted to this platform. And then we suddenly realized what are OTT platforms, what are online events, and there are so many things which we got to learn. Now when the world has changed like this, and there is so much of change happening. So many new enterprises happening. So you would need hands to work on these platforms. The employment generation to the one. But anybody cannot walk in there. You need to possess certain skills. Now, how do you get those skills? Where do you get those skills? So after a lot of this, so I'm going to share with you today in my presentation that what are my thoughts on, what has the COVID world presented to us, and the skill that we can that are required to enter into this new realm, which is offering great opportunities to freshers in the field of mass communication and journalism. I would share my. I hope my PPT is visible. Will it be visible?
Yes, sir, visible.
It is. Okay, fine. So, so we are meeting here today for Vivekananda Institute of Mass Communication in collaboration with SLC University of Delhi, Media Education, a progress towards NEP 2021 goals. In fact, the new education policy also insists on skill-based education, and my presentation will be on those lines that what are the skills. जब हम skills की बात करते हैं और degrees की बात करते हैं तो दोनों में अंतर क्या है और ये skills की अभी इतनी जरूरत हमारे लिए क्यों है. we'll come to the first slide, is survival and self-discovery. You see, the coming of COVID lockdown taught us survival techniques. हम में से कोई तैयार नहीं था कि कोविड जैसे कोई चीज हमारे बीच आ सकती है जो पूरे वर्ल्ड को शट डाउन कर देगी, सारे कल कारखाने बंद कर देगी, ट्रांसपोर्ट सिस्टम बंद कर देगी, हमें अपने घरों के अंदर बंद कर देगी, लेकिन फिर भी दुनिया चलनी थी तो, और उसमें सरवाइव करना था। सो कोविड ने हमें सर्वाइवल स्किल्स, जो हमारे यहाँ जो सर्वाइवल इंस्टिंक्ट्स थे, उसको अवेकन किया, और जो हम कंफर्ट, ओवरकमिंग इनर्शिया ऑफ लिविंग इन कंफर्ट जोन, वी मेड न्यू लर्निंग्स, शार्पन स्किल्स, रीडिस्कवरिंग आवरसेल्व्स। हम एक कंफर्ट जोन में रह रहे थे, उस कंफर्ट जोन से अचानक हमें किसी ने झकझोरा, हम उस कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर निकले और हमने फिर सर्वाइवल टेक्निक्स की डिस्कवरी शुरू की। हाउ डू वी सर्वाइव, how do we live in this kind of a situation? And this was a great discovery. Like last year there was to be discussion, I recall, is it correct to have online education? Now the whole thing was that, look, there was no other option available to you. If education had to continue in the given situation, it had to be online education. So that was the, and then we all learned. I recall having attended a workshop in Shamlal College, where day long you had deliberation on teaching skills online, and you also quickly adapted to it. So this is what I was trying to say: surviving in a given situation and discovering the skills within you, how to survive in this situation. We'll come to the next slide. It says disruption and adaptation. It's like samudra manthan. जब कुछ चीज डिसरप्ट होता है, हमने अखबारों में ज्यादातर खबर पढ़ी कि इनकी नौकरी गई, उनकी नौकरी गई, ये मौत हुई, वो हुआ, ये हुआ, बहुत सारी चीजें हुई, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं था। जब इस तरह का मंथन होता है, समुद्र मंथन होता है, तो when this churn goes on, you have both nectar and poison coming out of it. You see, we have all talked about in last, just an example, we have, and this is no condemnation of the death caused by lack of medical facilities, but we should also not forget that in past 1 year, our country, from one lab with the RT-PCR facility in Pune, has 21 lakh labs which can conduct this test. So अगर एक disruption हुआ, तो adaptation भी हुआ, changes भी हुए, लोगों ने अपने आप को prepare भी किया। अब जैसे वो जो हमारे जनरेशन के लोग जो जानते हैं, जब 85 में कंप्यूटर्स आए पहली बार, उसका बहुत विरोध हुआ कंप्यूटर्स का, लेकिन आज के तारीख में कैन यू थिंक ऑफ ए वर्ल्ड विदाउट कंप्यूटर्स? बिकॉज लोगों को ऐसा लगा था कि कंप्यूटर्स आएंगे, सबका काम काज चला जाएगा, सबका ये खत्म हो जाएगा। लेकिन आज के टाइम में आप यू कैन नॉट थिंक ऑफ, no, it took time for people to adapt. Some people adapted very quickly, some people adapted very late, but it took time to adapt, but people adapted to it. And today's time, you cannot think of any organization, any home where computers are not required. Even in smallest of the home, computers are functioning. So that is what is adaptation. Disruption say adaptation. So what did COVID do? COVID brought in, if 85 में पहला हमारा सॉफ्टवेयर रेवोल्यूशन हुआ और इंडिया इतना बड़ा सॉफ्टवेयर पावर बन करके उभरा, तो कोविड ने हमें सेकंड सॉफ्टवेयर रेवोल्यूशन की तरफ ले गया. We have had the second software revolution where we now see, people adapting the online businesses, digital media marketing, OTT platforms. There are so many things which have, actually if you look back and say, आँख बंद करके अगर आप पीछे देखें 1 साल के डेवलपमेंट को, तो इतनी सारी चीजें आपकी लाइफ में आ गई जो पहले नहीं थी. So what we are, और इससे क्या हुआ, जब ये डिमांड उठा मार्केट में, डिमांड एंड सप्लाई, जब इस तरह की डिमांड उठी मार्केट के अंदर, तो उस डिमांड को मीट करने के लिए लोग चाहिए थे, स्किल्ड वर्कर्स चाहिए थे. मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल देता हूं. हमारे यहाँ एक बिग बास्केट का एक डिलीवरी पर्सन आया और उसको देख के ऐसा लगा कि वो पंडिताई करता हो. And one, the inquisitive mind, the reporter in me asked that person that, are you a Purohit? He said, yes, I am a Jagran singer. मैं जागरण करता हूं, लेकिन जागरण तो हो नहीं रहे 1 साल से, तो मैंने अपने आप को अडेप्ट किया इस पे और मैं ये काम कर रहा हूं. तो उसने अपने इनहिबिशंस को ड्रॉप किया और उसने भी मोटरसाइकिल उठाई, अप्लाई किया, जॉब मिला, एंड ही वाज वेरी, एंड देन आई आस्क्ड हिम दैट वुड यू गो बैक टू जागरण सिंगिंग. ही सेज कि yes, but that will be only as bonus because now I have learned about this new vista of employment. जागरण तो रात को ही गाना होता है, दिन में तो मैं ये काम भी कर ही सकता हूं. So this is what I am giving you these examples to make you realize that actually COVID has opened for us several new avenues wherein people are finding employment. Now here the discussion comes up on degree and skill. Now both are important. The 25 years that I worked in industry while recruiting always looked for skills. इंडस्ट्री में आप जाएंगे तो इंडस्ट्री के अंदर एम्प्लॉयमेंट हमेशा एक क्राइसिस मैनेजमेंट की स्थिति रहती है. एक आदमी, दे वर्क ऑन वेरी शू स्ट्रिंग बजट, दे डोंट कीप एक्स्ट्रा पीपल. एक को छोड़कर गया, उसकी जगह कोई आदमी आना चाहिए जो काम कर लेगा उसके तरह वो, एंड दैट पर्सन शुड बी एज स्किल्ड एज द पर्सन हु हैज लेफ्ट द जॉब. सो देयरइन द स्किल विल ऑलवेज टेक what you call dominate over the degree that you may be having. But degrees are important. Degrees are important. Why they are important? Because that will put you in the long run. Skills तो एक चीज है, लेकिन अगर डिग्री है, आपके पास विद्या है, नॉलेज है, तो आपके लॉन्ग रन में हेल्प करेगा. स्किल तो आपके गुण है, तो वो दोनों को साथ साथ चलना जरूरी है. तो एक सवाल ये उठता है, does that mean degrees would become irrelevant? It could, especially in areas where EQs are not mandated by government. अब EQs क्या होती है? Essential qualification. डॉक्टर बनने के लिए MBBS होना जरूरी है, इंजीनियर बनने के लिए BTech होना जरूरी है, यूनिवर्सिटी में टीचर होने के लिए मास्टर्स डिग्री चाहिए, नेट एग्जाम पास होना चाहिए, और फौज में अफसर बनने के लिए यू हैव टू बी अ ग्रेजुएट. लेकिन जो जर्नलिज्म और मास कम्युनिकेशन का फील्ड है, इसके लिए कोई EQ नहीं है. देयर इज नो EQ. कोई आपको पूछेगा भाई नहीं कि आपकी जर्नलिज्म की डिग्री आपके लिए, आपके पास स्किल्स क्या है. आपको कहीं भी आप जाओगे, अभी कुछ सरकारी दफ्तरों में वो कर देते हैं कि यू शुड हैव अ डिग्री 4 ईयर एक्सपीरियंस. बट जो मेन जो इंडस्ट्री है इसकी, जो मास कम्युनिकेशन, सिनेमा, एंटरटेनमेंट और ये जो इंडस्ट्री है, वहां पे कोई एसेंशियल क्वालिफिकेशन नहीं. वहां पे आपका स्किल मायने रखता है, योर पैशन फॉर द जॉब व्हिच मैटर्स. सो व्हाट आई वाज ट्राइंग टू से दैट डिग्रीज हैव टू कीप पेस विद स्किल्स. डिग्रीज कैन नॉट रिमेन आउटडेटेड. You cannot be teaching things which are now not no more in demand in the market. So you have to keep pace, and this is what our new education policy also signals that. It asks us to go and move into that direction. Now, when we talk about skills and why new skills every time, so here is a story which I want to share with you. Adopt skills or sell bananas. Now there is 2 stories which I'm going to share with you. जहाँ पे आपका कॉलेज है, उसके आसपास एक झिलमिल इंडस्ट्रियल एरिया. झिलमिल इंडस्ट्रियल एरिया is one of the biggest printing hub of this city. Why only this city? This NCR. Although some of the now printing presses have shifted to Noida and Greater Noida. So I was doing once a survey on street vendors, and there was to be a street vendor outside झिलमिल industrial area who was to sell bananas, masala banana. And 11 o'clock in the morning, he would come, and by 1:30, his ready will be sold out. And he made good money. So I asked him that, did you always sell banana? Did you inherit this business from your father or somebody? He said, no. I was to work in a printing press, and then I went jobless, and now I'm selling bananas. So I asked him, why did you go jobless? So he said, in the olden time, computers आने के पहले जो printing press के अंदर compositing होती थी, एक वो लेटर्स, स्टील के लेटर्स बने होते थे, एक एक लेटर को उठा करके लगाना पड़ता था फ्रेम के अंदर, फर्मा कहते थे उसको, फर्मे के अंदर लगाना पड़ता था, फिर उसको ठप्पा मारते थे, तब प्रिंटिंग होती थी. He was a compositor. Now compositing was the most skilled work in the pre-computer era. Most skilled work. लेकिन जब computers आ गए, तो compositors were the one who lost their job if they did not learn computers, because the whole composing was being done on computers. Much better composing was being done on computers. In much less time, it was being done on computers. So composing became very, very efficient after coming of the after coming of the computers. And this man, of course, did not train himself in the new skills of computers, and he lost his job and ended up selling bananas. So, and in the old times, in the offices, you had the print typeset department where the compositors print को typeset करते थे. Now they have got today replaced by a whole new professionals who are called graphic designers. They all work on what you call. They all work on all these graphic designers. They work on They work on computers, and they make designs and everything, the work which was being done by the compositors earlier. So, enhancing skills, I think I have made sufficient point why we need to keep enhancing our skills. Why do we need skills to find jobs? Now we'll come to some more points for discussion. We'll talk about tagline. Now, what is a tagline? Now, tagline, is the tagline is the line which makes a brand, when you remember a brand by one particular line. जैसे कि अमूल दूध पीता है इंडिया, that's a tagline. We all remember Amul by that tagline. जैसे पुराने जमाने में जब स्कूटर का था, बुलंद भारत की बुलंद तस्वीर हमारा बजाज, बजाज स्कूटर का tagline. So the tagline is something which gives out the essence of a product. Now, if we talk about the new course, which one has visualized the skill enhancement product, so the tagline for that would be learning and disseminating knowledge relevant to the new normal in the post-COVID world society. Now, we have to make such courses, we have to create such courses which will be of use in the new normal, which will be relevant to the new normal in the post-COVID world society. अगर हम उसी पुराने ढर्रे वाले कोर्सेज में चलते रहे, तो हम फिर टैग नहीं रख पाएंगे. So we have to keep ourselves industry ready, right? Now, when we are planning and creating such courses, what should be there in our mind? In our mind, like if you think of an architect, what does an architect do? An architect, if he has to make a building plan, he first goes and tests the soil. कि मिट्टी में कितना मजबूत है मिट्टी, इसके अंदर कितनी गहरी पाइलिंग करनी पड़ेगी, फिर उसके बाद कितनी ऊंची बिल्डिंग बनेगी और बजट क्या है, उस हिसाब से बिल्डिंग बनेगी. Similarly, when you plan such courses, you have to first of all understand the demand of the profession. मिट्टी को किस चीज की जरूरत, अंडरस्टैंडिंग द लर्निंग कैपेबिलिटीज, कितना डेप्थ तक हम जा सकते हैं. वो जैसे वो एक कहावत थी कि आपने एक पुराने जमाने की कहावत है बड़ी फेमस, पढ़े फारसी बेचे तेल देखो भाई कर्म का खेल. कि if you are into the business of selling oil and you end up learning Farsi, a very, very eclectic language, you end up nowhere. So, this is, so the point is you should be very focused on what is the skill that you are going to learn to enhance, to find yourself an employment in the market. and then understanding paying capabilities. ऐसा नहीं है कि जिन कोर्सेज की मास कम्युनिकेशन के जो स्किल एनहांसमेंट की कोर्सेज है वो कोर्सेज मार्केट में पहले से नहीं है, ऐसी कोर्सेज मार्केट में है, लेकिन ये कोर्सेज मार्केट में बहुत ही रिच लोगों के लिए। सुभाष घई का एक विस्लिंग विडोज करके है स्कूल, उसका 30 लाख का कोर्स, माइका में कोर्स स्टार्ट ही होता है 12 लाख से, जेवियर्स बॉम्बे में भी उसी कॉस्ट पे कोर्स की पढ़ाई। तो इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर पीपल फ्रॉम मिडिल क्लास फैमिलीज टू गो टू दिस प्लेसेस टू लर्न दिस कोर्सेज, and especially in this COVID times when traveling and going and staying there is going to be so very difficult. So having understood the requirements of the the trainee, what we do next? जो भी हम कोई कोर्स बनाएं, जो भी हम कोई चीज करें, उसके अंदर दो बड़े इंपॉर्टेंट कोफिशिएंट होते हैं मास कम्युनिकेशन, नॉलेज एंड लैंग्वेज। नॉलेज इज आपके पास जो जानकारी है, the information, the right facts that you have with yourself, and your ability to express it for consumption of the masses. You see the way the way every person have their styles of expression. A very good orator can also be found faulting in giving speeches in platforms where he is not used to. The best example of that is Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, one of the finest orators which this country has seen. But Mr. Vajpayee, whenever he had to read speech from Red Fort, he was not as good because he was used to speaking extempore, and here he had to read it from a text. So your medium of expression, your understanding, and your medium of expression. So these are the two things which are very, very important coefficient in making of a mass communication, a mass media course. The two are inseparable, and any curriculum would have these defining factors. एक तो आप बच्चे को सिर्फ वो स्किल मत दीजिए, उसके साथ कुछ नॉलेज भी इम्पार्ट कीजिए। After all, his skill for knowledge dissemination can only work if he has some knowledge in stock. If he doesn't have any knowledge in stock, how can he disseminate any skill? These are two very, very we at WIPS study between September 2020 and March 21 on studying industry needs and readiness to rise to the challenge. A large number of students at PG level apply for skill-based courses at some of the famous centers, as I mentioned earlier. Now, these are the findings of our study. For students opting for skill-based courses, applicants paying rather than learning capacity was found to be a major factor. हमने देखा कि कई ऐसे बहुत ब्रिलियंट, बहुत अच्छे स्टूडेंट्स जो कि वहां जा सकते थे, पढ़ सकते थे, वो वहां नहीं जा पाए बिकॉज ऑफ द ह्यूज प्राइस दैट हैज बीन डिमांडेड फॉर दोस कोर्सेज. So the objective of this study enterprise was to develop a course curriculum which was affordable, updated in knowledge, and complemented by language of the market. Initial survey of the market was done, courses offered identified, and more importantly, price tags recognized. To understand the utility of these courses in securing employment at leadership positions in post-COVID world market, discussions were initiated with industry experts and about a dozen discussion sessions held over a period of 6 months. अब हमने एक चीज और भी ध्यान रखना था, हमने जो स्किल्स, आप कहेंगे स्किल सिखाने वाले तो बहुत लोग बैठते हैं, कोई एनिमेशन ऑनलाइन भी सिखा रहे हैं, एनिमेशन सिखा रहे हैं, ये सिखा रहे हैं, लेकिन वो आपको एक टेक्नीशियन बना करके छोड़ देगा. You will never be in a leadership position in a production house. You will be reducing yourself to the level of a technician. So that is why when we were securing employment at leadership positions in the post-COVID world, that was made to be the focus of the course. Now, the industry experts for these sessions included Mr. Sumit Pandey, Reuter Oxford Fellow, editor News18.com, Nitya Thirumalai, Google Columbia Fellow, news editor News18.com, Commander Deepak Adhar, ex-naval aviator, XLRI alumni, Soumya Tyagi, Prague Film School alumni, Estonia-based filmmaker, Ochak Sahu, FTII alumni, Bombay-based filmmaker, Sanjeev Ahuja, formerly Hindustan Times editor, Asia Community News, Abhishek Anand, formerly Financial Express, PTI, Omax, founder of Slaw PR, Ashwini K. Sharma, formerly Outlook, Mint, founder Slaw PR, Biju Varghese, formerly Viscraft, founder of Thought. Thought is a very famous, production company, event management company. And Dr. Navneet Anand, formerly Indian Express, Times of India, The Pioneer, Reliance, and founder of Grey Matters. Then we had a couple of faculty members who also joined in the deliberations. And these faculty members who joined from our side were largely people who were from industry background, who had shifted from industry to academia. Dr. Ramesh Sharma, Dr. Praveen Singh, Ms. Neha Pandey, Mr. Sahil Kaur, Dr. Anurag Gupta, and Mr. Ghulam Hussain. And then some of the students who were on the threshold of entering the market, they were also involved in the whole survey and part of this. Now, based on interactions and inputs, the curriculum for program thus prepared has 75 credits, spread over 10 months with 80% of course hours dedicated to field engagement and hands-on training. For knowledge, 2 foundation compulsory courses of 10 credits each, Understanding Self and Understanding India. For skill, 1 major course of 30 credits on the option of digital and data journalism, filmmaking for digital era, and event management for post-COVID world. Another skill course, 1 minor course of 10 credits from the option of print journalism in digital era and corporate communication in PR. And language, 1 minor course of 10 credits from the option of Japanese and Korean. Now, so this is something very, very interesting. Why did we choose Japanese and Korean and not the fashionable French or German languages or Spanish? Because today, out of 4,600 MNCs working in India, 2,400 are from these 2 countries. These are the today biggest job-giving countries. The industries from these 2 countries are the today biggest job-giving entities in our country. LG, Kia, Samsung, ये सारे जो हैं ये सारे इन देशों के हैं. इसके अलावा एक बहुत बड़ा कॉन्ग्लोमरेट है चाइनीज फर्म्स का जो अपने आप को रीशेप कर रहे हैं इनटू इंडियन मल्टीनेशनल विद सम चाइनीज बिजनेस. तो जब मोदी जी कहते हैं कि लुक ईस्ट, दिस इज व्हाट ही मींस दैट वी शुड स्टॉप लुकिंग टुवर्ड्स वेस्ट. आज के टाइम में इंग्लैंड की कोई कंपनी या फ्रांस की कोई कंपनी या स्पेन की कोई कंपनी, इटली की कोई कंपनी हमें कोई यहाँ नौकरी वोकरी नहीं दे हिंदुस्तान, और अगर दे रही है तो बहुत डिफरेंट लेवल पर दे रही है. एयरबस है, बोइंग है, ये है, लेकिन कितने लोगों को एयरबस या बोइंग में नौकरी मिलेगी? तो जो कंपनी जो नौकरी दे रही हैं वो इन देशों की कंपनी है, और इन देशों की कंपनी में और मास कम्युनिकेशन में बहुत बड़े तरीके से लोग आ रहे हैं. फिल्म प्रोडक्शन, OTT प्लेटफॉर्म्स, जिस प्लेटफॉर्म पे हम लोग काम कर रहे हैं अभी, जूम एंड सो मेनी अदर प्लेटफॉर्म्स. आप म्यूजिक के फील्ड में K-rap, K-rock, Japanese films are famous world over. So it is very important for us to understand this fact that why when the government says look east, we are looking east because these are the countries which are our new business partners. These are the countries they are going to give you a job. So you should have some knowledge about the language, culture, history, traditions of these countries to find a job with them. Now comes the question of validation of the course. Now, even Indian Institute of Mass Communication, MICA, ये सारे जो इंस्टीट्यूट्स हैं जो ये कोर्सेज चलाते हैं, इनका कोई AICTE या UGC वगैरह से एफिलिएशन नहीं होता, क्योंकि ये जो स्किल बेस्ड कोर्सेज हैं, ये स्किल इनहेंसमेंट कोर्सेज हैं, इनको इंडस्ट्री रिकॉग्निशन होनी चाहिए कि इंडस्ट्री के लोग कहें कि अच्छा उस स्कूल से आया है, उस स्किल्स वाले स्कूल से आया है, टेक इट, बिकॉज दे नो दैट दे डू वेरी गुड वर्क देयर. So your degree from a university with a huge medal will not invert for a very long time. The PG diploma in management was not recognized, automatically as a master course, even by IIMs, and equalization had to be done to prove that it was equal to master's MBA courses run by the university. IIM के कोर्स को, लेकिन आईएम के कोर्स लोगों को जरूरत ही नहीं थी, उनको इंडस्ट्री में इतना डिमांड था उनके लिए कि कोई जरूरत ही नहीं. तो उसी तरह का डिमांड हम विजुलाइज करते हैं कि हमारे स्टूडेंट्स के लिए भी होंगे. We are not to go for equalization as the course is meant for industry professionals and we would be focused on the same. हमारी पूरी फोकस स्किल एनहांसमेंट में होगी 10 महीने में. और आप कहीं से अगर doing online or distance learning somewhere, that's not an issue with it. आप करिए, nobody is stopping you from that. लेकिन हमारे यहाँ आपकी पढ़ाई स्किल एनहांसमेंट, स्किल ट्रेनिंग, स्किल लर्निंग की ही हो. Now, making a new beginning. Post-COVID world has made us all make a new beginning. A new beginning built on strong foundations of knowledge earned through rigorous academic pursuits. Recognition of knowledge comes not in the form of degrees, but acknowledgements beyond one's sphere of influence. जो आपका रिकॉग्निशन, अगर आपका रिकॉग्निशन आप गाना गाते और आपके घर वाले कहें कि आप बहुत अच्छा गाना गाते हैं, तो ये कोई बात थोड़ी है. आपका रिकॉग्निशन तो यूट्यूब पे होना चाहिए ना, जहां क्लिक्स आने चाहिए आपके गाने. So recognition of knowledge comes not in form of degrees, but acknowledgement beyond one's sphere of influence. So you should be so skilled that, and today, to get those breaks, you really do not need to go to some bada aadmi and do any ji hazuri. These are the digital platforms are there where you can post your videos, where you can promote your videos, and you will get paid and recognized from there, right? लार्जली जब इस तरह के कोर्स को लोग प्रमोट करते हैं, बनाते हैं, उसके लिए पोस्टर्स बनाते हैं, ब्रोशर्स बनाते हैं, इस तरह की चीजें करते हैं. अब मैंने इसमें एक एक्सपेरिमेंट किया है. मैंने 2 वीडियोस बनाए हैं, एक अंग्रेजी में, एक हिंदी में, 2-2 मिनट के वीडियोस. दिस इज जस्ट टू गिव यू एन एग्जांपल दैट दीज आर द काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स व्हिच आवर फैकल्टी इज कैपेबल ऑफ डूइंग. द फर्स्ट वीडियो इज इन इंग्लिश व्हिच विल कैप्चर द एसेंस ऑफ द कोर्स. there is another video which I want to play for you. This is in Hindi.
Sir, we are not getting the audio. Hello?
Sorry, somebody said something in between. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible, but the video which you were showing na, उसमें audio नहीं आ रहा था.
हमें तो audio सुनाई दे रहा था.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay.
Anyway, so basically, largely what I was trying to tell you is that this course is largely about, you know, you will be training with industry. Your 80% of your time will be spent with the actual production houses. You will be working with them. And if you do good work with them, your absorption will happen automatically. अगर आप उनके साथ फिल्म मेकर्स के साथ, इवेंट मैनेजर्स के साथ, और इवेंट मैनेजर्स भी हमारे ऐसे हैं जो कि you know who hold events for people like बराक ओबामा, फिल्म मेकर्स भी ऐसे ही हैं. तो इन लोगों के साथ आप काम करेंगे और इनके साथ काम करके आप अगर आपका परफॉर्मेंस अच्छा है तो आप ऑटोमेटिकली इंडस्ट्री में अब्जॉर्ब हो जाएंगे. इस कोर्स में केवल 30 सीट्स हैं, ये मैं आपको बता दूं. देयर आर जस्ट 30 सीट्स इन दिस कोर्स एंड द सिलेक्शन इज थ्रू एन एग्जामिनेशन कॉल्ड विमकैट, जिसके इंपॉर्टेंट डेट्स यहाँ पे दे रखे हैं. एंड अगर आप विमकैट टाइप करेंगे जा करके गूगल पे विमकैट, तो यू विल गेट एन एक्सेस टू कॉलेज दुनिया वगैरह जितनी वेबसाइट से सब जगह आपको ये चीज मिल जाएंगी. फ्रॉम वेयर यू कैन गो टू द वेबसाइट, या ये आप QR कोड को स्कैन करेंगे, इससे भी आप वेबसाइट पे सीधा पहुंच जाएंगे. एंड यू विल बी एबल टू व्हाट यू कॉल you will be able to find out all the details about the course, greater details about the course. In case you want to know more about the course, और जानना चाहते हैं डिटेल्स उसके बारे में, तो कुछ फोन नंबर दे रखे हैं. एंड वी हैव ऑन द मोबाइल नंबर्स वी हैव पीपल अवेलेबल 24/7. 24/7 का मतलब ये नहीं है कि रात को 2 बजे आप फोन करें, लेकिन हाँ 10, 11, 12 बजे रात तक तो लोग बात करते ही. So you will get a response, you will get all the information which you would be wanting. I think I have introduced the course sufficiently, and I would be very happy if there are any questions. Ritu, you could invite Neena ji for this thing.
Yes, sir, sure. Now I would request for the closing remarks from Neena ma'am, if she can give. Neena ma'am, please.
Namaskar, sir. I'm really feeling myself very happy or proud to be a part of this lecture, because the points or the areas which you touched in context with the mass comm, definitely I don't think कि कोई भी पेज आपने अनटर्न छोड़ा होगा. खासतौर पे उन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए जो मास कम्युनिकेशन में अपना करियर बनाना चाहते हैं, उनके लिए शायद ये लेक्चर एक थॉट प्रोवोकिंग है, इंफॉर्मेटिव है, और ये लेक्चर वो है जो कि उनको इन डेप्थ इंफॉर्मेशन देता है कि if they want to have their career in mass communication, because as far as you are concerned, you talked about tagline, you talked about the survival, you talked about the self-discovery, you talked about the knowledge, you talked about the language, you talked about the ability to express, how to explore that. You have touched each and every point. Not only that, जब मैं आपका लेक्चर सुन रही थी तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि जैसा हम पॉलिटिकल साइंस में पॉलिटिकल सोशलाइजेशन को जब हम पढ़ाते हैं और बताते हैं, और जिसमें ये कहते हैं कि मास कम्युनिकेशन और मास मीडिया इज वन ऑफ द मेजर एजेंट्स ऑफ द पॉलिटिकल सोशलाइजेशन, तो आपका लेक्चर सुनकर के लगा कि डेफिनेटली केवल आपने उस पॉइंट को इतने सहज तरीके से, इतने सहज भाव से स्टूडेंट्स को समझाने की कोशिश की है. नॉट ओनली स्टूडेंट्स को, इवन द टीचर्स को भी, जो भी इस फील्ड में थोड़ा सा भी इंटरेस्ट रखते हैं. Definitely you have tried to touch each and every part, and we are really thankful to you that you have enlightened our students, and you have basically guide them to how to pursue the career in that, and we are really obliged you. We are really obliged, sir. Thank you very much, sir, for your views on the topic. The example which you gave regarding that kala, that was which was really correct. एंड सच्चाई है कि बड़े लोग इसी तरीके से अपने करियर को स्विच ओवर किया क्योंकि वो अडॉप्ट करने के लिए तैयार नहीं थे. आज की तारीख में भी आपने कोविड, पोस्ट कोविड सारे ही एरियाज को टच करने की कोशिश की. जो पोस्ट कोविड एरा में जो हम प्रॉब्लम्स फेस कर रहे हैं, डेफिनेटली यहाँ पर भी हमको एडेप्टेशन की बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है. एंड एडेप्टेशन उसमें खास तौर पर मीडिया किस तरीके से रोल प्ले करता है, किस तरीके से हमको समझाने की कोशिश कर रहा है, या किस तरीके से हमारी लाइफ को एक तरीके से हमारी लाइफ को एक गाइड करने की कोशिश कर रहा है. आई थिंक कोई भी एस्पेक्ट ऐसा नहीं था सर जो कि आपने टच करने की कोशिश ना की हो या स्टूडेंट्स को समझाने की कोशिश ना की हो. रियली वी आर थैंकफुल सर कि आपने बहुत अच्छे तरीके से हमको एक सहज भाव से इस टॉपिक को हमारे साथ शेयर किया. थैंक यू सर.
थैंक यू मीना जी. इट इज ऑलवेज सच अ प्लेजर टू interact with you and hear you and
no sir, pleasure is mine, क्योंकि आपके साथ जब भी बात होती है, जब भी आपके लेक्चर सुना जाता है, तो आपका लेक्चर फ्रेंकली स्पीकिंग नॉलेज से इतना भरपूर होता है जो कि प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपीरियंसेस के साथ, थ्योरेटिकल एज वेल एज प्रैक्टिकल, विच इज जो आज की डिमांड ऑफ द टाइम है, आप डेफिनेटली उसको टच करने की कोशिश करते हैं. और अगर कोई भी स्पीकर अगर उसको टच करके हमारे दिल में या हमारे दिमाग में जगह बना है, और आपका लेक्चर मेरे ही ले था, तो रियली थैंक यू फॉर बेसिकली मेरे माइंड को जगाने के लिए. मेरे माइंड को मैं तो मतलब मैं मेरा या मेरे स्टूडेंट्स को अगर आपके इस लेक्चर से if they want to pursue their career in mass comm, I think it will be very helpful for them.
Thank you sir. Thank you ma'am. It is such an honor for me to get an opportunity to express my gratitude to all the dignitaries. I would specially thank Professor Rabi Narayankar ji, Dr. Khushal Tiwari ji, Dr. Neena ji, and the entire IQAC team, SLC faculty members, and the complete VIMC team as well. To all those who are present here in this webinar for their presence and contribution to make this webinar a great success. With these words, I seek indulgence to conclude the meeting. Thank you all once again for lending me your ears and for being patient. I hope you all have an amazing day.
Thank you. Thank you so much.